We got Gabe, Christian, Bennett's late.
All right, we're back with all the boys. You already know. About to go hit the spot. We got another new spot. New spot should be fire. So we'll see what's up. We're gonna go get warmed up at the classic spot. And then other homie just bought this Widebody Supra. It's pretty fire. So let's get to the action. I'm in a Corvette, but we got McLaren floor mats. Let's go, buddy. That's one of the construction guys, God, for sure, bro.
Yeah, you ready? Are you following me? Are you following me?
Oh, buddy.
Did you tap?
No.
Fucking bet.
Like a centimeter.
You're lucky you didn't put those skirts on today. Oh my God. It ain't hit, I don't think.
It did. We touched? We did not touch, brother.
Yeah, they did. God damn. It stayed in that whole time. You guys have a good time tonight.
We have tape on the back of that?
I know, you have tape?
She's Gucci, brother.
Dude, the lips stayed together, we're good.
We're good.
This.
All right, we're about to test drive a Corvette, brother. Let's go.
Hell yeah.
I'm kind of scared.
Let's do this.
Big Corvette
Hey,
guy.
he's driving Corvettes. I'm a big Corvette guy now.
Max, did you film this?
Hop in, buddy. Let's go.
Are you getting it?
Hop in my Corvette.
You want me to get in with you?
Hop in my van, buddy.
Can I get in with it?
We'll just do one lap.
Is this regular seatbelts?
Yeah, it's regular.
Weird,
bro.
McLaren floor mats. Fuck, dude.
I'm scared right now. I'm scared, brother.
6-speed, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This feels weird.
No hydro, I'm scared.
No.
400 horses. You probably don't have the clutch key. You probably just give it the gas.
Honestly, you're right. Bro, I'm used to hydro.
Yeah. Oh.
The gears are a little weird. That's my car. Oh shit.
How do you like it?
I I wish I had a hydro, but other than that, Gucci. Are you in first through most of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You can be first the entire time. I shifted second because I'm a fucking maniac.
Okay. I'll stay first.
But beware, if you're in mid-trip, going to second, you have to clutch in fully.
Okay.
Keep it clutched in, otherwise it'll lock you up second.
I'm just gonna stay first. I'm gonna keep it chill.
Okay.
Don't tandem. Don't tandem.
No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Corvette boys, eh?
Yes, sir.
I'm not gonna flick it.
You're not going to?
Nah. Yeah, this is a very stiff chassis, brother.
It feels stiff.
It's stiff.
It's like
as
driving a
fuck.
fucking 2x4.
Trying to link this is gonna be hard in this thing. I'm used to my hydro. I'm scared. What do I do?
I don't know where he's
I don't
at.
see him. I'm scared.
Yeah.
I don't want to hit my car with myself. Okay. This thing's scary.
I can't believe he drives it like he does with no handbrake.
Dude, for real. The handbrake doesn't work at all.
Oh no.
Okay, I get it. I totally get it. The power's there. Okay. But it's not my car, so I appreciate it, you know?
Yeah.
I appreciate it. I'm kind of scared right now.
I'm kind of scared too.
Dude, this thing's titties. This thing's fire.
Right?
It literally just needs a hydro.
Yeah.
That's it.
All you need is a fucking hydro.
That's it.
Bro, you'll have to take a
I
ride.
didn't want
Dude.
second gear in the car, so I was like,
I'm second gear the whole time
in this?
in that.
Okay.
I have a 391 diff in it.
Oh, that's
that
why.
makes sense.
Yep.
That's why.
Yeah, I
391.
ran out of gear so fast, I was like, fuck. We're actually filming a YouTube video too for the YouTube channel.
Just turn and spin.
Yep. Stay in it. Stay in it.
shit.
Stay in it.
No, I know, but I just need to get my grip on this.
You got it? There you go. Here, swat me, swat me, swat me.
Yeah.
Swat me for 2 seconds.
Are you 100? I just don't feel comfortable with it.
All right, M4, we're in the pocket. All right, here you go. Here you go, take it.
Yeah.
Here we go, M4, ready?
Let's leave her where she is.
This is light work. This thing's meant for this.
Holy yo! Oh my god! Oh my god, I didn't know she was good like that, bro.
Dude, this thing, honestly, oh my god.
This is training.
come on. Let's go. Got a new car.
Okay. Widebody Supra. I'm hopping in this thing. You already know the deal. It's a BMW. Hold on, I gotta. There you go. Yup. Let me drive this one too.
Just a small one. Just a small one. I'm winter tire. Expensive.
Woo! Dude, this thing's still.
Here, you want to do? I'll do a pull for you, man.
All right, let's do a pull. Let's do a pull. Look out, Christian!
We're gonna get you. We're gonna get you.
Oh, and you got the certified.
Xavier
He's
will-
certified up in here, brother.
Xavier will-
Let's go, buddy. The lineup right now is absolute soft. Hey, let's get some tandems. Hey, let's get some tandems, brother.
All right, brother.
Let's get some tandems. Let's go, buddy. You want me to lead? Christian, lead. Christian, hit that flick. Hit that flick, boy. Let's go. You want me to lead one? Okay.
Yeah, you follow.
All right.
I'll follow you.
Okay. He's gonna follow me, you be third. All right. Let's go, buddy. And I know this is like an improper video because we're just throwing something together tonight, but man, this lineup is just gas. What's up? Show me some light.
We're on wear bar.
We're on wear bar? Oh, we're straight, brother. We're straight. Let's go. All right, well, this spot's fire. We got some gangster ass runs in. I got to whip the M4, whip the Vet. Awesome, brother. Let's hit the next one.